Good morning, students. Welcome to the moral science class. In the previous class, we have learned the value of be yourself. Now today, I will teach you the importance of the trees. Now meaning of the value. Save trees, save life means trees are very important for us. We cannot live without trees. Trees give us fresh air and clean our environment. They also give us fruits and many other useful things of our basic needs. So it is our moral duty. We should not cut trees. We should grow more and more trees. Now we will learn the importance of trees through some examples. This is Rohan. Rohan has made a beautiful garden in his home. He takes care of his plants. This shows that Rohan knows the importance of trees. This is Rohit. Rohit is cutting the trees to sell its wood to earn money. This shows that he does not know the importance of the trees. In the next picture, our school is celebrating Tree Plantation Day. All the children brought different types of saplings to plant. This shows that they know the importance of the trees. On the other hand, Mr. Smith is cutting down the trees of his garden as he wanted to make a beautiful mall. This shows that he does not know the importance of the trees. Students, tree is our best friend. They give us free oxygen. Remember one thing. If you cut a tree, you kill a life. If you save a tree, you save a life. If you plant a tree, you plant a life. So, we should take care of the trees. Now, source of inspiration. This is Jadav Paing. He is better known as the Forest Man of India. He earned this name by spending nearly 40 years of life planting trees, creating a real man-made forest of 1,360 acres. Due to his great efforts, reforestation and wildlife has returned to that area. He has also received the award for his tireless efforts. Now meet Salumarda Thimakka. She is an Indian environmentalist. She is known as Mother of the Trees for planting and tending over 385 banyan trees along 4 kilometers of highway. She has also planted nearly 8,000 other trees. She inspires thousands of people across the globe to cherish the natural environment. Even she is 107 years old, but still she is performing her duty enthusiastically. She has also got Padma Shri Award for her work. This shows that she is a plant lover and knows the importance of planting trees. Now we will learn more about the importance of the trees through our lesson Save Trees, Save Life. Before reading the lesson, let's go through its big picture. In this lesson, we will discuss meaning of the value of save trees, save life, where is it required, advantages of following this value, disadvantages of not following this value. After reading the lesson, we will discuss the story based on this value. We will also discuss the situation related to this value. Now objective. The main objective of this value is to tell you to save the trees. We should not cut trees. We should grow more and more trees to save our environment. I also want to aware you about the importance of the trees. Now open your life skills book. Take sharpened pencils in your hands. Open at page number 36. Lesson number 7. Save trees, save life. It means trees give us life by providing us oxygen to breathe. It cleans the environment by taking in harmful gas, carbon dioxide. So, if we want to save life, we should save trees. Surbhi is in standard 3. She has a great love for nature. Underline the word nature. Write down its meaning, the natural world. Natural world means things made by nature, like trees, animals, rivers, soil, etc. She has planted many plants in her garden. She waters them regularly and takes care of them. Now students, there is a girl named Surbhi. She studies in 3rd standard. She loves nature. She has made a beautiful garden where she has planted many plants. She takes care of her plants by watering them. Now think and answer. Surbhi's contribution to protection and conservation of plants is great. Underline the word contribution. Write down its meaning, participation. Underline the word protection. Write down its meaning, preservation. Underline the word conservation. Write down its meaning, prevention. Now come to the next line. Students, as you know that Surbhi loves nature, as she has made a garden where she has planted many trees. Students, do you also protect and conserve plants like her? Now students, answer the following questions in the form of yes or no. Do you love plants? Do you wish to live in a green area? Do you pluck or cut the green branches of plants? Underline the word pluck. Write down its meaning. Pull off. Underline the word branches. Write down its meaning. A part of the plant. Have you ever planted any sapling? Underline the word sapling. Write down its meaning. Young plant. Now students, I hope that you have learned the importance of the trees very well. Now your homework is to read lesson number 7, Save Trees, Save Life, and learn word meanings. Now rest of the lesson we will discuss in the next video. Bye bye kids. Have a nice day.